want to encourage us a little. For us, this is an inaugural ministration. So as I did, my body they shake. That's why I brought my wife. Can we celebrate my wife? Amen. How many of you believe God is the one who answers prayers? Can we move to the next level now? Tell your neighbor, raise them, raise them, raise them. Let's go. I say you answered Elijah, you answered Ezekiel. Hey. I said you answered by fire, you answered by thunder. I said, hey, oh my God, I ran through and through. I said, hey, oh my God, I leaped over the wall. Singing, I love be thy name. Hey! Singing, I love be thy name. I love be thy name. I love be thy name. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers. The one who answers prayers is your name. The one who answers prayers. The now begin to give the Lord a dance of praise. He's the one that answers prayers in his house. We are not left without a witness. In the last hey! I said he answered Elijah, he answered Ezekiel. I said he answered the prophet, he answered by fire. But let's go now. Hey, but my God, but my God, but my God, but my God, prayer power, but my God, 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 demons scatter, but my God, 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 nations bow, but my God, 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 singing I love you like you. Tell your neighbor that God is a promise keeper. Are you ready? Salem! You said? Promise keeper. Raise up. You are promise keeper. You say you will never fail. You are faithful to you. Hey, come on. You said? You said? My promise keeper. I promise you forever. I promise you. I'll be chasing after you. I'm not stopping. Because what? I'm a reckless lover. I'm a reckless lover. I'm a reckless lover. Oh yes, I will be. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. Okay, yeah. Promise keeper. Promise keeper. We must go keep